Fixing to lift this hoist system in the shop. Check this out now. We got Alice here. Gonna lift this side. Got as much prefabrication work done as possible. The shyster out there is gonna lift that side. So I'll be jumping back and forth from one lift to the other, raising it up. Columns are sitting here, they're just standing there. That's another thing that's just as dangerous as hell. I'll be watching for them to fall over on me when I'm jumping back and forth, but I pretty much got to have them that way in order to be able to roll them into place. Now, that side, that corner, that's going to be the first one to go in. I need to stick that column in first. And the shyster leaks off less than Alice. So I got Alice on this side. Alice is going to start leaking down. But that's okay if I get that column and this column underneath there. The shyster can hold longer without leaking. She'll leak some, but Alice will leak fast. I reckon ain't nothing to it but to do it.